In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign and remove prerequisites and stations from credentials. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected, then choose Credentials. Select the credential you would like to add prerequisites or stations to. You should arrive at this credential's information. To add a prerequisite, click the Add button towards the bottom of the page. And select the credential you want employees to complete before this one. Maybe I'll go ahead and select all of the safety trainings. To do that, I will click on one, hold the Control key on my keyboard, and click the other ones. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add these prerequisites, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now those prerequisites have been saved. Notice that I have 2 fire safety prerequisites on here. Maybe that's a mistake and I only need the trainings to be done first. To delete a prerequisite, click that prerequisite, then choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this prerequisite. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that prerequisite has been deleted. That's how you can add and delete prerequisites to your credential. Next, you might want to assign this credential to specific stations. To do that, click the Add button next to Stations and select the stations you want to add this credential to. I'm going to select all of the stations that have to do with customers. So I'm going to choose Bartender and hold that Control key again. Then I'm going to select Cashier, Server, Head Cashier. Then I'll scroll down and I'll say I'm good with just those ones. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this credential to these stations, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now this credential has been added to those stations. If I selected one of these stations by mistake, I can delete it. Click on that station's name, then choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this station. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that station has been deleted. That's how you can assign and remove prerequisites and stations from credentials. Check out the next video to learn how to adjust your credentials enforcement settings.